What gets smaller each time you take a shower?
What gets smaller each time I take a... My vagina.
Lion! Lion!
What you say?
I don't know that one there. I may say so. I don't know.
Why you say that?
Get tighter.
Yo, bro. Is it true that Jamaicans always answer a question with another question?
I will tell you that.
Really, bro?
Yeah.
Are you serious?
Our.
History of Blood Clot Part 3.
Yo, today I get it, you know. Today I get it. Watch out. Hey, boy! Hey, boy! Yo! I'm gonna tell you something for bomba clap pass you, sir. Eh? I kick you and I come kick you in your blood clot face. Eh?
Go suck your mother, you can't tell man if you walk on land.
Blood clot.
What you just say?
Me say you can't tell man if you walk on land, you
No,
God.
no, the first part. What you just say now, first part?
Say go suck your mother.
Blood clot. Blood clot.
Yo, where you get that style?
We have 10 sheep, all but 7 dead. How much left?
Alright, you see Billy what I know about. I'm a branching on my day game. I'm not real goat, not sheep, not anything. I'm big ganja and plant.
Uncle, don't cry. Uncle, please don't cry. Uncle, don't cry. Uncle. Don't cry, Uncle. Uncle, don't cry, my uncle, man.
Where you crying for?
Don't cry, my uncle.
But man, I look for the fucking dog food to give the bone them when I left back out there. So. But how are the bomber clad that one? Bruno! Come down off of my bed.
Only real Jamaicans will understand this.
You see that, sir? A Jamaica with it, right, sir? You understand? And we are flying go over America, right, sir, right? And we left America, Ghana, over Europe, yes, sir. And then we left Europe, past China, and go Africa, right, sir? That's it.
You have shown me all of that for.
Come here and try to show you, say, oh, for me and try to send you up on your mother. No, my badness, brother. Crazy.
I want him to cook up a creamy and a creamy.
Hold on. Yeah, we are the creamy.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Yeah.
How may I help?
I'm trying to get the generator up top there, the 3000.
Up top. Which one exactly you talking
That
about?
one.
Oh, the one on the top shelf. So let me ask you a question. If you can't reach it, or you expect me to reach it?
No, I thought because you work
When
there,
you thought wrong, you blasted idiot. When you try to say, Home Depot hire super
No,
people.
sir, but because you work.
But how me to reach it? How you expect me to reach it?
Can you get somebody that can help
Nobody in here can reach it. None of we can reach it.
Alright, so how am I supposed to get it?
Go buy a ladder. Go buy a ladder. Ladder sitting on the back of the store. Go buy a ladder and
Right,
come
sir.
back, come reach it.
I just want to get.
Go buy a ladder and come out of the store. Come out of the store. Come out of the store. Come out of the store.
I just want.
It's not for sale anymore. Come out of the store. Take off your seatbelt. Bad man not drive with seatbelt. But what you indicate for? Don't ever use your indicator. Never make a next man know your next move. Lock off that. If you turn left, just turn left. If you turn right, just turn right. Fire upon the indicator. But why you slow down for?
Yeah, because the light just turned yellow.
That means speed up before it turn red. Drive, speed up, speed up. Never slow down on a yellow light. Speed up before it turn red. Where you stop for? Where you stop for?
Yeah, people are passing.
You see the pedestrian crossing sign right here, sir?
Oh, okay.
Alright, then drive the car. Drive the car. Okay, you pass the test.
Ramp with me again. Yes, ramp with me again. Ramp with him again.
Car, you see any of me follow up that little boy, yeah? Kill him today. Joshua! Joshua! Answer me when me talk to you, so you answer so. Me how long now me tell you to go watch you play them now sing?
No, watch no play.
In the arms of the angel, fly away. Ease your body.
So Irish, how where you are do from morning make your teeth no brush it?
I want homework because I can't solve it.
Homework?
Yeah.
What kind of homework?
One match homework.
Maths? So you don't know say Irish? Back in my days when me I go to school, you see two of me bad for maths, them call me mathematics.
How about mathematics? Since you know free maths, help me with that one day.
I eat this?
Yeah, man, like that. Awa?
So Irish, at this is easy maths you can do?
But then what's hard?
Maths hard? You see if I was your mother? Well, what me mean to say? You see if I was your father? But you see if I was your father, I'll be the friend now till next year.
But much really?
Shut up! What is 1 plus 1?
One, hold on. 1 plus 1 equal.
Oh my. What a boy done?
You can't talk about me done. What is 1 plus 1?
Almost Christmas.
1 plus 1 equal Christmas?
Yeah.
Me didn't think me dance. But I see your dance, international, mine local, you go worldwide. What your name mathematics?
Hey, little girl. I was grade 8, you know.
Oh, I'm in grade 7.
Alright, so watch, you know. I'm gonna be your upper school boyfriend, you see?
Okay.
Yeah, man, I'm gonna put some big wood in your little hole.
Yo, Felix, where are the funny grade 7 dog?
You know, so me just there talk to my little cousin.
Your cousin?
Exactly, me think you the one be me man.
Dog, what?
When me say me want be a man, little girl?
You all the time, boy, you want push a big body in my little hole.
Hey, hey, girl, stop telling
So what that your company grade 7 black for the dog?
For come rape off a little girl them with the old grey back self.
Mister, you have to pay me for all my time I waste with you.
But you going on as though me employ you.
I'm going to make you an example to all man that fool up woman, you know. Where you take me for? Konomono? Listen to me now. Even if me was Konomono, me not Konomono for you.
Keep your voice at a human level.
Me want 50% of the business.
50%?
Like when you block somebody from Facebook, right? And like you see them out in the streets, them can't see you? Like how you block them from Facebook?
Well, no. If you block them on Facebook, they cannot see you in the street. They cannot see you, you know, because you're still blocking them. You understand me? Say and if a night even worse, they can't see you because black you black.
The night me I try show you, my brother, just my style that, bro.
Yeah, man, my father, me get it, man.
Pass a juice for me, then, my brother. You know you go fully, yeah? What a wicked bitch. As me fly your pitch, as me increase, you decrease. As me elevate, you defecate. Why your problem? Why your
problem? What your problem?
Jesus.
Yo, listen. I look at things that we want this. Listen. Yo, listen, I look at things that we look at things that we want this. Cause they be like kill we over there.
If you look at a piece of shame would I get.
Brother,
A piece of shame.
me never glad we want this in my life. Listen. When I tell me that cause Bobby reading and say, yo, you're my teammate, but you can't play. No.
Boy.
Me buy Bobby beast. Bobby save we from embarrassment.
Alright, now me I tell you say.
Ali coach.
He bad.
I save it.
He don't look
and
good.
I could live more, no? Listen, me never glad so. Me say, Father God, me glad you make me walk this. Me glad you make me walk this. Jesus Christ, you.
Say, they would have worry a box with
Come back to Jamaica.
Couldn't go back. A celebration.
Celebration. Papi Hennessy there. Papi Hennessy. Papi Hennessy. Me never glad say that in my life. Yo. Why?
You say we get rid of it for you.
Yo. 7. Travel across and see if we get 7.
It's terrible.
We not in a league with Brazil.
It's terrible. It's
Chanu.
terrible, man.
Yo.
Big up.
Now league up here get race.
Alright.
Celebration this.
Celebration this man. Celebration for embarrassment.
Well, me G, just fresh up this one me have already.
Scar off everything.
Eh?
Hear me say? Scar off everything.
I feel money I pay for? Yes, man. I saw if you look like a proper gentleman.
Duck to blood clot, the Batman ma come. Duck to music clot, the Batman ma come. Blood clot. Duck, the Batman ma come. Duck to blood clot. Duck to rascal. The Batman them gone. Duck to rascal. The Batman ma come off of me. Duck, Derek Morgan, them ma come.
Go down fish. Go down in a blood clot deep sea. Go down fish. Go down Egypt. Africa on a bomber hole. Africa they on the rise. How do them? Gunshot. Boom. Blood clot, don't know. I don't feel like Africa. They on the rise. Who's soul, you know? What do you mean? Go down, pussy. Watch out. Ball! I saw a man play ball. It's coming like Santos and blood clot Cavaliers. Boom! Goal. What do you mean? I say it for God. Manners in the bomber clot. Manners! What do you mean, my boy go wide? Why shit up Messi? Shit up Messi, man. Oh. Messi a fish. And I go and I say them a red. Ah, I say them boy I move like them a red fish. Messi go down. I mean.
Dummy on the beat, so it's a banger.